Hey, I printed this iPad stand. Works pretty good, right? But where do I put the pen? I mean, I guess it's okay there, but I want a pen holder. Design myself up a stand with a pen holder. Put it in the slicer and off to the printer. It's done. Put on your iPad, and then you got a place to put your pencil. If I can do this one-handed. Of course, it's the no case design. The official application got the back plate here, and it works in the case version. I'll put your case fully in it, or if you want to have it folded over. Look at that. You still got a place for your pen. Oh no! What if the pen gets stuck? A little hole to push it out. If you would like to download the iPad stand and pencil holder or with pencil holder, you can find it on printables.com 597040. I have also listed it on Maker World, and it's iPad stand with pen holder.